At the end of this video, you will discover why many people got this algebraic expression wrong, and you also learn to simplify this the correct way using PEMDAS. We have into 20 minus 65 plus 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Now here we have 20 minus 65, that gives us minus 45 plus 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Now here minus 45 plus 15, that will give us minus 30 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Now at this point we have minus 30 divided by 5, that will give us minus 6 multiplied by 3. Multiply this out, minus 6 multiplied by 3, that will give us minus 18. But this answer is wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now to get this correctly, we are going to have this into 20 minus 65 plus 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Now right here, we are going to follow this other operation called PEMDAS. Right here, multiplication and division have the same precedence. Addition and subtraction have the same precedence. Then right here, we are going to consider the parentheses first. That is this. And we are going to simplify the term inside the parentheses. And I'm going to have here 20 minus 40, 20 minus 65, that will give us minus 45 plus 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. When find this other operation here, next we are going to consider division, because division is of higher priority than the multiplication. The operation here is move from left to right, and we consider the one that comes first, and that is division, and the expression becomes minus 45 plus 15 divided by 5, that will give us 3 multiplied by 3. Then next we are going to consider multiplication. We have this. Then right here we are going to have minus 45 plus 3 times 3, that will give us 9. Then lastly, we are going to consider this addition here. Now minus 45 plus 9, that will give us minus 36, and that is the correct answer.